Here we go. I'm gonna tell you if we want to uninstall any of the program we have installed, any of the software we have installed, from where we can uninstall them. For example, right now I will be telling you how we can uninstall the MS Word. Here in the start, I will be going to programs. Here the control panel is being showed. I'm gonna click on it. I have clicked it, and here we have the option of programs and features. I'm gonna click it. I have clicked it, and all the installed softwares and programs appeared here. I'm gonna uninstall the Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016 because the applications, the MS Word and the MS Excel, or the application of Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016, I have selected it. I'm gonna uninstall it. Yes, and it will be uninstalled. Here we go. Yes, again, and uninstall is being processed, and it will be uninstalled. As you can see, it is being uninstalled. The progress is being done, and it will be uninstalled really soon. And likewise, we can uninstall any of the program we have installed. I have probably a lot of installed programs here. I can uninstall them all likewise. So it is being uninstalled. Now the progress has already been done, and it will be finished so soon. And likewise, we can uninstall all of the programs, any of the programs we want. So now it has been uninstalled, so I'm gonna close it, and you can see the Microsoft Office application 2016 Plus has disappeared from all the programs and features. Likewise, we can uninstall all of them or any of them however we want, whenever we want.